Hello everyone, I'm Sandeep, your host for today, and I have an incredibly special product today to showcase to all of you guys something that I've been actually very fortunate to have been playing with for the past couple of days, and that's none other than our latest TV from the house of Xiaomi. This is the Redmi Smart Fire TV 32, and it's a wonderful TV that gives you a truly immersive experience. Now, the first thing that caught my eye when I started using this was the beautiful design itself. It has a metal bezel-less design, and that's truly impressive and absolutely immersive. What also contributes to the same is the fact that it has got a brilliant display and incredible acoustics as well. As you heard from the name, this has a 32-inch HD ready panel, but that's not all. We're also giving our fan favorite VPE, which is also known as Vivid Picture Engine. This is something that gives you amazing looking visuals, great colors, incredible detail, and overall very impressive looking visuals. But we didn't just stop there. We also have 20-watt speakers that give you that true to life thumping sound that you can use just about any content that you're watching on the screen. And in terms of software, this is our very first Fire TV. So this comes with Fire TV out of the box that has support for over 12,000 applications with its massive app store. You have plenty of support in terms of the connectivity. You have dual band Wi-Fi, you have AirPlay support and Miracast support. And most importantly, it also comes with Alexa built in, which makes your life a whole lot easier. I've been enjoying using this, and one of the main reasons is also the brand new remote that we have here that comes with its very own Alexa button built in. And yes, one feature that you've been also requesting is a dedicated mute button, which we also have. But the remote just does not have that, and it has many other things as well, including access or easy access to your favorite OTT platforms. You have a play, pause, rewind, and forward button, and you have plenty of other buttons that make using this a complete joy and very easy and user intuitive. Overall, this is a TV that I absolutely loved watching my TV shows, watching films and everything at my home, and I would suggest you also pick one up very soon